Hi, today we want to talk about some improvements that we've done to our multi-package order tool. During the gift giving season or any time throughout the year where you want to have one order that is sent to maybe tens or even hundreds of recipients, the multi-package order tool with its new improvements, it's a great way to get these tasks completed with a few clicks and also just within a few minutes. So in this case, I'm going to show you Sebastian. He's a gift giver. He's been a customer of ours for some time. We already have his information on file. We have a credit card on file, and he's been buying, some of our product for his office. But what he really wants to do is he really wants to send a corporate gift to 10 of his best customers. So the first thing is, of course, getting the gift recipient's information into the system. The easiest way to do that is to actually use Excel to work with the gift giver and get all of the information that you need from him. So, send him an Excel template with, this information that the gift giver can provide for you easily. First name, last name, address, date of birth, phone, or any special instructions. And once you have that, the only thing that you need to do on your end is, give a title to those addresses, something that is easy for you to recognize when you're creating the multi-package order. That's a good tip. And then, of course, the account number of the customer that is the gift giver where you want to load this address to. And then you can simply use our import tool to complete that task pretty quickly. So go to Tools, then under Data Imports, you can click New, and select the type of import that you're going to do. This is going to be a shipping address import. This is sorted by alphabetical order, so you can simply scroll to the section of shipping addresses and then select the file that you want to import. So import data file, it'll choose a file from your computer where you have this information saved. And you've been working with a customer with an Excel file. You need to save that as a comma separated values or CSV file. That's what our system uses for importing the information. And simply select the CSV file and upload that information into bLoyal. So the next step of what the system will do is we'll count all of the records in the import. It'll verify that the records are properly formatted, and it'll confirm that the records have been imported. You don't need to stay on this screen. You can go elsewhere within the system, or you can click search just to verify where it is in the process. You can see here that that information is importing, and it'll just take a few more seconds to complete the full import. You can see now the information has been imported successfully, and we should have those 10 gift recipients within the customer record of Sebastian. So we'll go back to Sebastian's customer record just to make sure that we have all of the information that we need for this multi-package order. And we'll go open his record and see that those addresses that we have just imported via the import tool are now available to create an order for those multi-package order for all of those gift recipients. And they're all here, so we're ready to go. So right here from the customer profile, you can click create an order. And the first steps of creating an order are just the natural steps that you do for single package orders. But one of the things that will be important here is that when you think about multi-package orders, there's some improvements of using package one as a template. So, select your store, look for the products that you wanna that the gift giver has decided to send. And again, think just of the products of that package one. Most of these multi-package orders, it's the same products across all packages, or maybe a set of products for some packages and a different set of products for another set of packages. You can do these multiple times. But in this case, Sebastian is going to send a bottle of Cabernet and a bottle of the Malbec to these corporate gift recipients. So select just the products that you need for package one. That's the only thing that you need to worry. And then set up the information for that package. So now that we're in the order, remember that you just need to focus around package one. So I'm going to select just the first recipient because that's the only package that I need to set up so that I can use that as a template for all of my other packages. I can simply select the shipping service that I want to use. I can set up a future ship date when I'm going to be ready to send these. I'm going to add here, any instructions that I may need to add to the package because this is a gift order. I'm going to add here a holiday message that I want to copy around all of my packages. And once I have that ready, all the information about my package, the products that I want to send to all of my gift recipients, I can simply save that to make sure that I have that package ready. And now I'm ready to add the rest of the gift recipients. So I can go now to add multiple. I can select all of my other recipients. I can remove people that I don't need, like this, recipient one, which I already have. I don't want anything for my office. So I'm ready to add all of my packages. The system has added all of the other packages. These are what we call empty packages, which means that they don't have products assigned to them. They don't have shipping services. None of the information has been populated. So the new tool, which allows to really save a lot of time, is this under more actions, which is called populate empty packages. So simply click on that and accept the function, and it will take package one and it will populate all of your packages with the selections that you had already done. So you can see here, it will add the shipping service, the shipping date, instructions, gift messages. It will also create all of the packages and distribute the products across all of the packages automatically, which previously you had to do on a one-by-one basis. The last thing that you want to do is simply recalculate your order, so that if there's any benefits, any promotions that are applicable because of who the gift giver is, that all of these benefits are applied to the order. So you can see now that all of those promotions have been applied, both line item and order level promotions. You're simply ready to go, add a payment method, process the order, and you'll be done. Hopefully these new improvements to the tool will help save you a ton of time and will help you bring in new revenues for your business. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us on the information provided on the closing slide. Thank you.